You have the Blu Flex. This is the B300V flip phone by Blu. Looks like this. And you're having all sorts of problems getting the back cover off because you either need to change your SIM chip, add an SD card, or check the health of your battery. Well, let me show you the easiest way to take the back cover off. All right, the easiest way is to use any plastic membership card. Now, you have to power the device off first. That'll help you out. And then in the bottom right corner, you are going to find the notch right there. You can see here in the video, and then you'll see on yours. So you want to grab your membership card about like this. You want to hold it securely in your hand. And I'm going to put the card right here in the notch, and I'm going to press with some force. I'm going to use this hand as far away because this the back cover needs to flex. So let's get this card right in there, and then we're going to press with some force, and it pops open. Now, my Blu Flex phone has a very, very tight fitting back cover. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep holding on, and I'm going to twist a little bit and get that to come up a little bit more. And I'm going to put my thumb here and hold that lid, and then I'm going to move over here a little bit more, keep going. Now my whole hand is underneath, and it comes off kind of difficult with difficulty. So we've got it off. Hopefully that helped you. Let's move on to the inside. All right, now that we've got the back cover off, let's check the health of our battery. If your battery's starting to fail, it starts to look like this. It's not very likely. It gets a little bit puffy, the seams split apart. You definitely want a new battery if that's happening to your battery. All right, and let's check, make sure that there's no water in it. These would turn red if this phone has gotten some water damage, and on the battery it's got an indicator too. So we're good to go. Now to change the SIM chip, there's a little tiny door right here. Well, it's a guard that you have to press down, and then with your other finger you got to slide the SIM chip out. So I'm going to do it this way. Let's see. I'm going to hold it with my thumbnail like that. All right, let's try that again. I'm going to press down here with my thumbnail, and then with my other nail. There we go, got it. Now with the moisture from my fingerprint, I'm going to continue to slide that out like this. Now it might take, there's a few ways to get that out, but that's probably going to be the easiest. With 2 fingers, you might need someone to help you out. All right, and then if you need to add an SD card, grab your SD card, and we want to have the metal facing down. So it'll face down here. We can see here in the diagram, it helps us know it's that shape. So it goes like this. Slides right in. Same thing, to get it out, it's got this little guard right there. And we'll have to push that down with one finger and then scooch the SD card out with the other finger. You might need a gamer or someone with smaller fingers to help you out if you need to do that. And that's how you do it. And then if you're changing your SIM card, follow the instructions here. It goes this direction. And again, metal is going to be down. So if you see metal, you're wrong. Metal goes down. And that SIM chip just slides right in there. A little easier to slide it in than to slide it out. All right. And then we'll put the battery back. And when you're putting the battery back, make sure you got the 4 posts lining up with the 4 posts on the battery. Clicks in like this, and then you got the speaker on this side, speaker here, and it just clicks. Go all the way around twice, make sure you're all the way closed, and you are good to go. And that's how you remove the back cover off your Blu Flex B300V to check your battery health, change your SIM chip, or add an SD card. If this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.